So, I hate to do this on Valentine's Day, but I can't do this anymore. Things have been feeling really harsh. You're falling apart. I feel like I've wasted a lot of money on you. I just feel like I deserve the best. Something that will last a long time and make me feel all soft and fuzzy inside, you know? I'm sorry, but we're done.
Are you all done here?
Oh yeah. You can take these, I'm definitely done with them. Finally, my real Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day, Glammers! I'm Aubrey, and this year we're not settling for anything, especially not bad makeup brushes. These 4 new brushes from our February Morphe Me collection are single and ready to mingle, and will spread the love all over your gorgeous face. See how to get that romantic Valentine's Day glow with this angle brush, chubby buffer, powdered dome, and pointed blender brush. Keep watching! Starting with the eyes, I'm adding a transition shade to my crease, then building it with a warm brown shadow. I'm also sweeping that same shade on my lower lash line and adding a pop of pink. Next, I'm taking a fun hot pink shade and adding it to the outer corners of my crease. Then, I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner corner with a silver shimmer. To finish off the eyes, I'm applying eyeliner and flirty lashes. Moving on to the face, I'm concealing under my eyes and using the M335 Chubby Buffer brush to blend it out. Next, I'm using that same brush to contour my cheeks and nose. To flawlessly blend everything together, I'm grabbing the M462 Duo Powder Dome brush. To set my face with translucent powder, I'm using the M104 Angle Blush brush. I'm also using that brush to apply powder contour and blush to get that romantic flush. Then, I'm taking the M509 Deluxe Pointed Blender to highlight my cheeks, nose, and Cupid's bow. To complete this pretty and pink look, I'm applying my LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippy in Mia Moore. After Cupid strikes you with these brushes, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at liveglam.co and use our hashtag LiveGlamFam so we can fall in love with your looks using this February collection. Stay glam!